Times Statement I. Interest income from the deposits in infrastructure investment trusts, InvITs, distributed to their investors is exempted from tax, but the dividend is taxable. Times Statement 2. InvITs are recognized as borrowers under the Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act, 2002. Consider the following statements. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? Both Statement I and Statement 2 are correct, and Statement 2 is the correct explanation for Statement 1. Both Statement I and Statement 2 are correct, and Statement 2 is not the correct explanation for Statement 1. Statement I is correct, but Statement 2 is incorrect. Statement I is incorrect. Statement 2 is correct. Explanation. Statement I claims that interest income from inventory IT deposits distributed to investors is exempted from tax, but dividend is taxable. This is incorrect as per current tax laws in India applicable to InvITs REITs. Distributions from InvITs are taxed in the hands of the unit holders based on the nature of income received by the SPV trust.